Opo.
Ito si
Beginning of
Abel Ermitanyo. Ermitanyong Abel.
Ako si Abel Ermitanyo.
Okay lang. Basta palagay na lang pa.
Okay.
Kaya man sila.
Crazy.
How's it?
And
Ken,
it was
Ken, ayun.
That's just a warm-up. 30 minutes in.
so we just heard that Ruzi just told us it was 30 minutes in. Now we got about 4 more hours,
Okay, we'll carry
and I am. It is nice out here. Just pray that we'll continue finish on and have the strength to go up.
Akin apat pa lang.
And yeah,
Nakailan ka?
that's about it. Peace out.
Ate Jen, dami mo na.
Philippine International Convention Center. And they requested all the tribal to sing. These are Christian buildings. And we were the first one to sing the chorus. And we didn't do anything. So we just...
The woman
Only
not able,
one.
not able to a second husband unless he become unless when she divorced from not only to evangelize them but also to discipleship them, teach them about the deep meaning of the Bible. Nakalipas taon na.
Ikaw na palan.
No, ako na.
Banar.
Banar. Ako na si pastor na asawa ni Midwife.
Banar means...
Ako na.
Unang oo.
He is the one who say yes to build a church here.
He's the one who said, okay.
Okay, he is the one who said okay. Si Opo, okay. Okay.
Yan ang bayaw niya. Yung isang matanda. Ito pinsang buo ni tatay. Ayan natin. Laman.
Ayan. Yeah, good.
Yan.
Tama na.
Siguro tanong gabi. It's almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks or so.
Sugar nga iba. Ano ba namo nga?
Asawa mo siya?
Oo. Ang babo lumaglagan.
Kajading ibgay mga uruan. Tungod ang pulang may pwede.
Bagay, ikaw Diyos ang may-ari ng iyong buhay. Ikaw nakakaalam at ikaw naghanda ng buhay na ito at ikaw rin ang uwian ng lahat ng buhay. Ang dalangin o Diyos, nandito po kami kasama ng mga lingkod niyo o Diyos.
Always pag may kapag lang.
Sinusubong ko? Subong?
Kunwari sa umaga.
So does the bacteria won't transfer to the
Kasagasan mo daw?
food?
Tanong mo daw kung nasasaktan siya.
Masakit ko, no?
This is more important than all the medicine over there.
Okay, ito ay pinakamahalagang kaysa tanan-tanan mga ubat. Lutang para. Ito, importante. Ha?
If there is one thing that'll help you from getting sick and being healthy, it's this.
Ato, makabagay di mo yung mga nungang bilogyo?
Brush their gums, in between their gums and their teeth, so all the cracks.
Okay. Una yung pagbrasan. Ato yung kinakabitan atong ipin. Yeah. Nabirin nyo na?
Kasaudahan kayo.
Yeah. Lahat, tanan-tanan ato sulod. Tirahan.
Saan po nakatira?
Singnapan. Ardite.
Sulay lang.
Wala pang resulta.
Sakit?
Lagnat.
Sakit? Hindi masakit?
Opo.
Tuloy-tuloy ka lang to sa lahat.
Lagnat, sakit ng ulo.
Sa lahat po yan ng magpa-press.